Why is yawning so contagious? And I'm willing to bet you already feel the urge to yawn. If not, then you probably have a neurological disorder that leads to schizophrenia or autism. Witnessing someone else's yawn may trigger your own yawn as part of a natural process where the brain regulates temperature. Empathy drives contagion, vital for group survival as it enables sharing and understanding emotions, fostering social bonds and cooperation. Yawns can spread to animals, causing contagion. Dogs mimic their owners' yawns, showing a social bond. Please comment how many times you yawned while watching this video.